Warning: your immediate attention is required. A rogue element is known to be attacking turbines that are critical to industrial operations around the world. It is degrading oil integrity, fouling components, raising temperatures, and compromising performance. The perpetrator is Varnish, and it is causing unplanned shutdowns, inefficient operations, higher maintenance costs, and, if left unchecked, catastrophic failures. This equipment assassin has probably infiltrated your system already. Your mission: clean varnish out of your system.
Many operators think varnish removal is beyond their control. Others struggle with conventional industrial system cleaning products to try to remove it. To work effectively, these industrial system cleaners rely on having the right combination of flow, heat, chemistry, and time. But most conventional cleaning products have some serious drawbacks.
For starters, some are incompatible with the turbine oil as they lower the flash point, a serious safety risk. Plus, their harsh chemicals are incompatible with the equipment and can damage seals and other components. Furthermore, some remove varnish in large pieces that can redeposit on other surfaces and overwhelm filters. And residual cleaner that remains in the system after an oil change can shorten the life of the fresh oil.
The biggest drawback is that most just don't clean effectively or at all. Instead of removing varnish, some conventional cleaners can drag it around your system where it continues to be a problem. But now there is a more effective way to clean your system.
Our experts have developed a revolutionary product: VARTECH Industrial System Cleaner. VARTECH ISC utilizes proprietary triple-action technology. It cuts into the varnish layer and methodically removes it as microparticles. It captures these micro-varnish particles in a protective barrier so they can be removed without redepositing on the equipment or overwhelming filters. And it has demonstrated compatibility with in-service turbine oils, which allows the equipment to remain productive without downtime throughout the cleaning process, giving you optimum operational flexibility and system performance.
VARTECH Industrial System Cleaner helps prepare your equipment for fresh oil. Following the product use instructions, the cleaner effectively removes sludge and stubborn, baked-on varnish from your system. However, if you encounter unexpected delays, the cleaner can temporarily remain in your system without damaging internal components.
When the cleaning process is complete, the used cleaner and oil are drained, the system is rinsed, and ready for fresh oil. It is a simple, straightforward way to return your system to optimal performance.
VARTECH ISC has been field-proven at multiple locations, including facilities in California and the Gulf of Mexico. After VARTECH ISC was added, oil temperatures rapidly dropped below shutdown alarm levels as the oil coolers were freed from varnish. There were no operational issues, and systems were quickly restored to full production.
In addition to VARTECH Industrial System Cleaner, we've also developed new lubricants with advanced varnish deposit control as part of a holistic varnish clean and control solution.
You are now equipped with the knowledge and technology necessary to conquer varnish, return to a high state of efficiency, and optimize operational performance. Our experts will be a key resource to help you clean varnish from your system.